Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And you're probably watching this video because you're wondering, are lead generation companies and softwares worth it? Okay. Now, I'm actually going to share with you a lead generation tool that will literally just put your business on automation. And yes, it is totally worth it. Like, how can you question if it's worth it when it is generating you leads? Now, leads is a very important part of your business, okay? And if you're not generating leads, then you're not generating customers, okay? The more leads you have, the more it's like basically, have you ever heard of that saying that like the money is in the list? That is really true. If you've got a whole bunch of people that are interested in what you're offering, or like their potential customers, and you're consistently building your followers or your list of leads. Okay, when I say leads, I'm not talking about just random people here. With online marketing, technology gives us the power to target people that are actually interested in what we're offering. So when we talk about lead generation and using automated lead generation tools, what we're doing is, first of all, we're targeting people that are actually interested, and that's why online marketing is so powerful, because we can literally target the people that we want and that want us, not just any random people, if that makes sense. So, it's not like we're cold calling any random person and, we're trying to get them as a lead. No, this is people that are already interested. It's just like, if I'm interested in, sorry, if I'm talking about weight loss, okay, and everything, my blog, my videos, they're all about weight loss, and I'm giving great tips about weight loss. Obviously those people that I'm targeting are all into weight loss. They're not going to be into fishing unless maybe a few of them might, but the whole idea is to target all of those people that are interested in weight loss. So when you capture them as a lead, they're all interested. And lead generation can be very powerful because basically it's putting your business on automation. So yeah, it totally is worth it. I'm going to show you this tool right here. It's called Textbot. Now, what Textbot does is, sorry, was someone was knocking at my door, so I had to stop this video. Anyway, continuing back to what I was saying. So this tool right here is Textbot, and Textbot allows you basically, when you join Textbot, uh, it basically gives you a number right here. Okay. Now this is a US number, so if you're in the US, then obviously this can be much more better for you, because obviously not everyone likes to call international numbers. I'm living in the UK, so I mainly promote this business in the US, and I have the power to do that because obviously I'm online. So, like I said, this is an online business, and we can, target anyone that we want, whether it's in the US, whether it's in the UK. It doesn't matter where it is. Okay, that's the power that we have as internet marketers. Okay, so. So basically, you get a number, okay? And anytime anyone who calls this number, now there's two versions of this. There's Ava Basic and there's Ava Plus. Now the Ava Plus is like the upgraded version of the Ava Basic. Ava Basic allows you to send automated messages to your prospect. Like, let's say, for example, basically anyone who calls this number, automatically they get a text message from Ava. Okay, if they call the number, it's an automated phone call. If they text the number, it's also automated. So Ava basically responds to them, and also she tells them to say yes to allow us to send them messages. Okay, so it's not spammy. So if someone doesn't say yes and respond, then she can no longer text. Okay, so it makes it very compliant, as in like basically it's not like going against anyone, like it's not violating anyone's you know because at the end of the day, we don't want to be spamming people, okay? And this software is not spammy. It's actually a very good tool, because anytime, also, like if they initially wanted text messages and then they don't want, anytime they can just text stop, and then automatically it just stops. Like no longer can she like text anyone messages, okay? But the power of this is that now, you know, a lot of people call numbers. They like to call numbers, okay? So let's just say if you've got an ad in the newspaper, if you've got an ad somewhere, and basically you're promoting your business. Now, Textbot is not only for promoting itself, but it's also promoting other businesses too, okay? You can use this in your primary business, you can use it in your marketing agency company, or hairdressing, whatever you do as a business, you can basically use this software to promote it. So, if you're promoting your company, let's say you're in network marketing, okay? For example, I'm not in network marketing, but let's just give you an example. So let's say if you are with a network marketing company and you want to promote it, so you set it up where when they contact you, they're contacting you for that company. They're interested in knowing more information about that company. So you can literally set up where Ava texts text them text them more information, okay, whether it's your video or your capture page, whatever you're taking them to, where they can get more information on your company. Then after that, once they've done that, you can even like continue to text them like a bit later on saying, hey, have you checked out the video yet, blah blah blah. So you can send follow up messages out automatically, so that like the next couple of days you can message them and say, hey, how are you getting on, did you watch the video, did you watch the training that I sent you, are you ready to join yet, blah blah blah, okay? So it makes it much more easier because it's automated. The other thing is you can actually message them. So you have the ability to log in to a chat and message one of your prospects. Now, also the other great thing is once you buy the software or the tool, yeah, the marketing tool, you can then actually upsell it in your business, or you can, like, if your business is related to business and marketing, you can actually sell this tool, and you get basically $100 commissions and $500 commissions. So the Ava Plus is $500, and it's only a one-time payment. And that's what makes it really cool. And the basic is $100 commissions. Okay, so and that's a one-time payment. So you're only paying for it really once, and the only thing that you pay for every now and again is a one yearly membership of $50, which is nothing. And then you're also topping up your balance in order to text messages to your prospects. So that's basically it. It's a really cheap tool. And like, okay, let's just say if you put your ad out in the newspaper and you're using this to promote your MLM company or your affiliate marketing company, whatever or maybe it's your own business, you know what I mean? Like uh, your own business, and you want to promote it more. So what you do is you send out an advertisement in the newspaper, and instead of putting your number, because you wouldn't want to put your number manually because everyone will be calling you like crazy and you don't want that. So what you do, you put this number, right? So you put your automated Ava's number, and now anytime someone calls you, guess what? Ava is going to respond to them, and Ava will probably, like, if you tell them to text you, then what Ava is going to do, she's going to text them the details, okay? And the amazing thing about Ava is her text messages are like a human being. So they're really like they're very nicely created, where it looks as if like a human is responding, but obviously it's an automated message, okay? So, and you can also like create your own messages to send out. for Ava to send them out. Okay, so like, is it worth it? It's always worth automating, investing money into automating your business in whatever you do. But also it really depends in, what kind of software you are using. There's a lot of crap out there at the same time. I've invested in a few crappy things. But I also always like testing, okay, because I never know what I'm going to come across. There might be one or two things that are going to get me life-changing results, like in the next 6 months, that can transform everything for me. I don't know. And that's why I continue to test, I continue to learn, I continue to grow. That is ultimately how I'm going to grow my business, by learning new tools, systems, and softwares for me to use to leverage my business. Okay, so Textbot is totally recommended. I totally recommend this software. I think it's an amazing tool. And yeah, it's so easy to generate leads. As you can see here, I mean, I didn't want to really share that, but I shared it anyway. But basically, yeah, you get a whole bunch of people that become your leads, because I don't really like sharing people's personal information, but basically, in a nutshell, it's very, very easy to generate leads, because all someone needs to do is call you, and then basically they're a lead, basically. And then you can message them anytime. Obviously, if they want to cancel, they can always say stop. And Ava says that anytime you don't want to get our messages, just simply text stop, and we will no longer like message you. Okay. So yeah, it's totally worth it. Check it out and watch the video. Actually, if you click the link in the description below this video, you'll get access to a video that will basically explain more in detail what this software is. And then what you do is you just fill out your name and your email address, and then it will take you to a 4-step system. Sorry, not system. A 4-step process of how to actually get signed up with this and test it out for yourself. Okay, you make sure to fill out the 4-step process in order, and then you should be able to start using Textbot. And yeah, feel free to like comment if you have any questions about this, and I'll get back to you in the comments below. And yeah, I mean, they've also got a very good support group as well if you have any questions about the software, and they've got a live support right here. So any questions, they literally like 24, well, they reply back very fast, so it's a very good support live chat they have here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and check the link out in the description box below, and I'll take care. And also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as well. If you found this video beneficial, then subscribe so that you can get more videos. Okay, have an awesome day and take care.